In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge table cells in Confluence and save your changes. If you're organizing information in Confluence and want cleaner headings or grouped content, merging table cells is a quick way to make your tables easier to read. Let's walk through the process from start to finish with a few tips to keep things smooth. First, open the Confluence page that contains the table you want to edit. Make sure you're on the right page and can see the table clearly. If you're working in a space with multiple versions of a page, confirm you're viewing the latest version so your changes apply where you expect. Next, enter edit mode by clicking edit near the top of the page. If you don't see the edit option, you might not have permission to change the page, so check with your space admin before going further. Once the editor loads, click anywhere inside the table to activate the table controls. Now select the cells you want to merge. Click and drag across the cells, or click the first cell, then hold Shift and click the last cell in the group. Keep in mind that cells need to form a clean rectangle to merge. For example, two cells side by side, or a block covering multiple rows and columns. If your selection skips around, the merge option won't be available. With the cells selected, open the Table Options toolbar. This appears when you're focused in the table and usually shows icons for inserting rows and columns, splitting cells, and more. If it isn't visible, click inside one of the selected cells again to bring it up. Click the Merge Cells option. The icon typically looks like overlapping squares or a combined grid. As soon as you click it, Confluence will combine the selected cells into one larger cell. Any text inside those cells will be brought together in the new merge cell. Take a moment to confirm the result. Check that the border lines have combined and that your content is still where you expect it to be. If the formatting looks off, you can adjust spacing, add line breaks, or refine the text before moving on. When you're happy with the change, publish the page to save it. Look for the Publish button at the top right and click it. This commits your merge to the live page so everyone with access can see the updated table. And that's it. You've opened the page, entered edit mode, selected your cells, merged them, verified the result, and published to save your work.